The Samsung Galaxy G Fold is finally taking shape, but the excitement quickly fades when you look closer at what's really being offered. Samsung is entering the tri-foldable race after Huawei, which already launched its own version, though that model left part of the inner screen exposed and raised durability issues. Samsung's approach, revealed through the One UI 8 code, attempts to fix that with a three-step fold mechanism. The left panel folds in first, then both sides collapse over the third section. Yes, it hides the inner display completely, but in solving one problem, Samsung seems to have created another. The extra cover display makes the device noticeably thicker, and for a product that's already pushing the limits of practicality, that's not a small compromise. A 10-inch foldable display sounds impressive on paper, but the reality is less appealing. Devices in this category are already bulky, and adding more layers only makes portability worse. Samsung is promoting durability as the big win here, but consumers will have to decide if carrying around what feels like a small brick is worth it. Even the improved hinge design, reportedly similar to the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 7, won't change the fact that this device will be heavier, chunkier, and less comfortable for everyday use. The flat edges may echo the Z Fold 6's styling, but cosmetic upgrades don't mask the practicality concerns. The audio system is another recycled feature. Sources confirm that the G Fold will use the same speaker drivers as the Z Fold 7, offering a dual speaker setup. While that should mean decent sound, it hardly feels like an innovation for a device positioned as Samsung's most ambitious foldable. What's more concerning is availability. Samsung plans to launch the G Fold in only 2 countries, South Korea and China, at least initially. That limited release suggests even Samsung isn't fully confident in how well this tri-foldable will perform on the global stage. The biggest drawback, though, is the price. Foldables have never been cheap, but this time Samsung is testing the limits of consumer tolerance. While the Z Fold 4 and Z Fold 5 came in at $1,899, and early estimates for the G Fold hovered around $2,500, newer leaks now point to an eye-watering $3,000 to $3,500 price range. That's nearly double the cost of the Z Fold 7 and close to triple the Galaxy S25 Ultra. At that point, the question is not whether the device is innovative, but whether it offers enough value to justify such an extreme premium. A bigger display and a sturdier hinge won't be enough for most buyers. For all the hype, the Galaxy G Fold risks being remembered less as a revolutionary device and more as an overpriced experiment that only a few will ever own.